Here's how you can play multiplayer lobbies in single hero mode in Heroes of Might and Magic: Olden Era. Single hero mode is a popular game mode where you're limited to controlling only one hero for the entire match. You won't be able to recruit or hire additional heroes, and if your hero dies, you lose the game. It's a perfect mode for multiplayer duels and competitive matches with other players. To set this up, head to Multiplayer from the main menu and click on Lobby. Next, click the Create button on the lower left side of the screen, enter your lobby details, and proceed to create the lobby. Once you're inside the lobby, look at the panel on the right under Session Settings. There you'll find the Select Map or Template option. Click on it. To enable single hero mode, you'll need to choose a map that supports it, since this mode is map dependent. You'll know a map supports single hero mode if it shows a single helm icon in the rightmost column, or if the game mode is listed as single hero. Once you've found the map you want, click Select, open a free slot for other players to join your lobby, and you're ready to start your single hero match. And that's basically all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more game guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.